Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I am going to show how to create a mobile application with tabs. I will use Appery mobile platform and their new editor Ionic 4. Let's create application with name Tabs App. By default, Appery application has only one screen, so let's add one more screen with name Screen 2. And let's add screen with name Tabs. As you already guess, tab screen will contain tabs, and screen 1 and screen 2 is the content of different tabs. First, what we have to do, change the routing settings and specify tabs as a default route. Let's come back to tab screen. Then we have to select page in breadcrumb and specify tabs property as true. Then let's select tab bar and specify slot as a bottom. Since our application has two tabs, let's add them. Press plus. And now let's customize every tab button. First, let's change the text of label to screen 1 and specify value of tab property as screen 1, and to do the same for second button. Text screen 2 and tab screen 2. Also, let's a little bit customize screens view. First, let's remove the footer. Just specify footer as false and specify toolbar title as screen 1. And let's do the same for screen 2. Remove footer and change toolbar title. Now let's test our application. Application is ready, and now we are on the screen 1. Let's press screen 2, and now we are on the screen 2. That is all what I wanted to show. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in comments.